Hey there, outdoor enthusiasts. Need to light your campfire but have no matches? We've got you covered. Here are some tips for getting a campfire going. Make sure you stay until the end because these tips could come in handy one day. First things first, you need to gather your materials. You'll need tinder, kindling, and fuel wood. Tinder can be anything from dry leaves, grass, or even birch bark. Kindling is your small sticks and twigs, and fuel wood is the larger logs that'll keep your fire going. Now, one of the oldest methods to start a fire is the flint and steel method. If you have a fire steel or a magnesium fire starter, you're in luck. Grab your tinder and hold it close to the sparks you create with your flint and steel. Keep striking until you see a spark catch the tinder. Once you've got an ember, gently blow on it to get the flame going. Another classic method is the bow drill. This one requires a bit more effort, but it's a great skill to master. You'll need a bow, a spindle, a hearthboard, and a socket. The bow is usually a curved branch with a string attached. The spindle is a straight stick that you spin against the hearthboard to create friction, and the socket is used to hold the spindle in place. Wrap the string of the bow around the spindle, place the spindle on the hearthboard, and start sawing back and forth with the bow. The friction will produce heat and eventually an ember. Once you see smoke, you're on the right track. Carefully transfer the ember to your tinder bundle and blow on it gently until you see flames. If you're in a pinch, you can also use a lens to focus sunlight on your tinder. A magnifying glass or even the lens from a pair of glasses can work. Position the lens so it focuses a small beam of light onto your tinder. Hold it steady and be patient. It might take a few minutes, but eventually the tinder will catch fire. Now, once your tinder is burning, it's time to add your kindling. Start with the smallest sticks and gradually add larger ones as the fire grows. Remember, patience is key here. Don't smother your fire by adding too much too quickly. And there you have it. Lighting a campfire without matches is all about preparation and patience. It's a skill that can come in handy in any survival situation. So next time you're out in the wild, give these methods a try. Stay safe out there, and happy camping. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more outdoors-related content. Thank you for watching.